My name is Luigi Pulice, and I am the founder of the Ecosmart brand. They are used in all three applications: residential new construction, custom homes, and retrofit applications. In fact, the largest installation where multiple Ecosmart systems were installed was a 25,000 square foot custom home, and the smallest was less than 1,000 square feet. Ecosmart systems are ideal for multi-story townhouses, which have traditionally been difficult to properly heat and cool. Our products are equally effective in traditional two-story homes. Although the 25,000 square foot custom home was very large, it did present some unique challenges. Using Ecosmart high-velocity systems allowed us to drastically reduce the number and the size of the bulkheads to maintain the original design aesthetics. For the smallest installation I referred to, we were able to design a fully serviceable mechanical room that housed an Ecosmart air handler, a tankless water heater, an HRV, and a cooling coil, all in a 2 foot by 3 foot footprint, maximizing the living space. From a contractor and builder perspective, we have been told Ecosmart units are the best quality and most reliable units on the market. And from a homeowner's perspective, we have been told the systems are quiet and provide extreme comfort throughout the home.